Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 20th of April. Roles can be reversed also and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. Want to start your self-love journey but don't know from where to start? You can definitely start by taking the 30-day self-love challenge. It will definitely help you to become the best version of yourself so that you can effortlessly manifest your dream life and raise your vibrations permanently if you do that with all of your heart and soul and follow that. Yeah, so let's start. Okay, Cancer, your person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the 10 of cups, the 5 of pentacles, the 9 of pentacles, with a lot of regret and a sense of loss in their heart and soul. This person is kind of feeling like they should choose themselves, their independence, their money, their job, their career. They feel like they should come back home and their home is them right now. Yeah. Yeah, it's like they still remember everything that you shared with each other. They still feel like you are a family kind of a person. You are like a home kind of a person. You feel like home, you smell like home kind of a person. But right now they are going through other losses or other experiences also in their life that is kind of forcing them to come back to themselves and focus on themselves as much as they can. So this is someone who feels like even if they feel like you are their home or something like that, they feel like right now they should be super focused on themselves. It's the need of the hour for them, right? I am not seeing this constant energy of missing you and going crazy over you, but I definitely see this energy of feeling lost, feeling like okay, they lost a good connection, they lost a good energy, but somehow this person still feels like you are home to them, your family to them. Okay, still feel connected to you energetically, soulfully. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, the Knight of Swords. Their intention is to, you know, collaborate with you, put in the effort and energy in in this direction, and sort it out with you as fast as possible, as fast as possible, as you know, clearly as possible. It's like they want to have equal give and take of energy from both the sides. They are willing to put in the effort and energy to make this collaboration or partnership work out, but they want equal give and take of energy from your side also, so that this partnership can be a good partnership, this collaboration can be a good collaboration. So this is what they want, a clear cut energy of okay, let's make things work out, let's put in the effort and energy in this direction so that we can make this collaboration partnership work out in a beautiful and positive way. This is what they want, clear cut understanding, clear cut energy of okay, let's fix this. Okay, so basically this person wants to fix it with you, but at the same time they want you also to put in the equal effort from your side also, so that you guys can create a beautiful collaboration. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 20th of April. We have the Eight of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Knight of Cups. They are going to be like continuously thinking about what they should do in order to come forward towards you and sort it out with the you with love, with compassion. But they're overthinking, they're continuous overthinking this energy of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do. It's going to be like weigh them down. They're going to feel a lot of pressure, a lot of energy of oh my god, what should I do. So they are going to end up doing nothing. Although this person is sending you a lot of love and blessings from a distance, I don't see them taking any kind of discreet action towards you in order to make things work out with you the way they want it to. This person can't stop thinking negative about the situation. They are creating all the scenarios in the situation that might or might not be true, but they're continuously trapped in their own mind. It's like restless nights and mindlessly thinking negative like stuff and can't stop thinking about it, and then feeling very very pressurized, feeling like this is a very burdensome and heavy energy and that they can't deal with it. Maybe this person will take help from somebody, a healer or somebody, to get out of this phase of their life, but I don't see them doing anything about it, thinking a lot but not doing anything about it. You are highly highly recommended to move towards new people, new situation, new things. If you're getting a new offer and if you feel like you should go ahead with that, just go ahead with that, because the Ace of Wands is a card of brand new beginnings, with passion, with this desire of okay, moving forward. So do not look back, don't keep looking back, Cancer. Whatever is gone, whatever is done, it's gone and done. You can't change it. Even if you are a saint or guru, or even if you are God himself or herself, you can't change the past. Nothing, nobody. You can erase the past, you can erase your own memory that you don't remember, but you can't change the past, right? For some, I don't know. For some of you, you might have this tendency to think about the past a lot and thinking like, oh my God, I should have done that in that way, or this should be changed, or that should be changed. You cannot. So whatever you feel passionate about, whatever you feel good about, just go ahead with that and start your new chapter with a brand new fresh energy. Doesn't mean that you have to be in a relationship. It can be friendships, it can be exploring new things, exploring your own passion, exploring your own desires, maybe driving, maybe learning swimming, I don't know. But do something that makes you really happy, okay, and start a brand new chapter. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.